So you're in Google Docs and you want to highlight cells that are empty, but you only want to highlight them if there's data in another cell. So in this case, I've got a date received, a date returned. That could be technology or textbooks or whatever, and you just want to highlight the ones that are blank. You could come up here, highlight the entire cell, go to Format, go to Conditional Formatting, and change this to is empty and set it to whatever highlight you want. But notice it not only highlights the empty cells, but all the cells below where there is no data, and we don't necessarily want this down here. There is a way to go about doing this, but what we'll do is we'll delete what we just put in there, and we'll make sure we're highlighted in that column. We'll add another rule, except this time I'm going to change this to B2 through the end of B. So we're just going to leave that blank. And instead of is not empty, we're going to come down and we're going to find custom formula is. So this is where we're going to enter our formula, and I'm going to put this in the comments. Right now it's highlighting everything except what we wanted to highlight, so we've got to enter our formula. So I'm going to click equals and parentheses not is blank, and I'm going to say A2 because this is the one we want to make sure is not blank, or else it will highlight all of the ones down here. So as long as there is something here, it is not blank, and then we're going to close that whole argument and we're going to say comma is blank, and for this we're going to say B2 and we're going to close that up. And so now you can already see it's highlighting those cells, and I'm going to change the formatting. And so now it is only highlighting this. Now if I entered a new date, so let's say I entered today's date, it would continue to do that. But anytime I entered a date, that formatting would go away. So I'm only seeing empty cells. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching.